Okay, folks, this is going to be a really good one. So I didn't like that whole arch thing. So I'm like, well, what would I like? I didn't. It just was too impersonal. It's the wrong kind of size. So let's tune this arch up a bit. So we'll go to arch and we'll disconnect it and we'll call it arch 002. And then we'll create a package out of that, just so that we have the original and we got the new one here. And so yeah, check this out. I want to curve this corner here. I want to round this corner. So how can you do that? There's a new thing called intersect. So let's do this. Wah. All right, so it does it. We got to do it to the union. I don't like this union. I should have made it out of one part with two cuts. Let's do it. We'll undo it. So we will ununion this thing. We will separate. Yeah. And then we will get rid of the sides. Boop. No more sides. And then we'll take the top, and I want it wider. So we will 1, 2, 3. So that's 6 wider. So this thing, let's F this. Sorry, I put this camera right in the way. I'm not impressed with Camtasia. Just thought I'd throw that out there. Okay, so we got a one. Oops, wrong part. Command Z. Click on this thing. Make this thing bigger. Dang it. Adjust this thing. Is that possible? Negative part. Gosh, why are you being so negative? Part. And then we will make it wider. Kind of like that. That's better. And then this we will drag downward by this green thing. No! What are you doing? Okay, so we will drag this downward. There we go. Now we got something. Is that hitting the base there? Yeah, it's going through it. Okay, to there. And then we need another piece, so we'll Command D this, and we will make it a different color, like this color. And also this, we'll call this keyway. And that's going to be negative also. And can we resize it now? So the keyway is going to be like this. Got it. Boom. I like that. I think I like that better. All right. So these two negative parts and the top, we're going to union them. That is so weird looking. There's like a 0 thickness skin right there. I kind of want to keep it. So weird. And you get that weird shadow that he's standing in. That is weird. All right, this could be a thing. Just him on a mountain standing in the light like that. Whatever. So let's ununion this thing. We'll separate it, and we'll make that keyway actually cut through everything. So the keyway needs to be sticking out. It's the exact dimensions. There we go. So you can kind of see it. The green thing's sticking out, the keyway sticking out. So now we will take these parts and we will union them. Okay, now we're just getting started. So watch this. So we'll take this, oh, I want to Command D it. All right, we'll Command D this, make 2 unions, and then we will separate one of them and delete out We just want a circle. So which one's a circle? Boom, so we don't want this. Where's the other one? What am I doing? I thought I duplicated the whole thing. All right, Command Z. I'm gonna Command D this whole thing because I just want to get a circle out of it. And then I'm gonna go and get the circle. And I'm gonna call, that's not the circle. That's a circle. I'm gonna call it circle. And then I'm just gonna drop it into Arch. And then I'm going to delete this other one. So that's how I roll. I don't ever like make a new part and like drag it over. I just take the stuff I've already got and dupe it. So okay, so now we got this circle. So this circle is going to be a brilliant color, pink. And we are going to make it very big so that we can cut that corner. This is new. This is super cool. What the? That's crazy. So once it's a whatever this thing is, a negative thing, you can't resize it. So I've got to separate it. Blah, 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 blah. This non-uniformly scaled union contains parts which can't be exactly represented separately. Blah, blah, blah. Reset the scale. Okay. So now we have this other circle. So, what is going on? Are you moving? Command Z. Oh, okay, because it's governed by the smaller of the two. There we go. So this one is not going to define the space to cut. It's going to define the space to preserve. Look at the intersect thing. It's going to, if you push a circle into a cube, it's going to only leave this little purple pie slice. Or if you push this cube into the sphere, it's going to leave this weird divot. So that's what we're trying to do with this goofy stuff. So I got to make this real big. These cylinders are goofy. Okay, we're getting there. So I think we just need to move it over. We'll F it so we can see it. How did that happen? Just want this. Okay, so I'll try to keep this video short. Command 3 this thing and make it bigger, and oh yeah, look at that. Boom, there's our arch. So it's going to be Command to it. And let's really push it into this so we can see how it's aligning. Like there, and then we'll F it. F it. All right, so you guys ready? We're gonna chop off that little. Man, am I doing this wrong? No, we only get we're only gonna keep the parts where they intersect. So that purple does not intersect. Totally messing this up. Yeah, let's just demonstrate this, how it's not going to work. So we take this part, which is in the arch, and and we're going to connect it to this. Oh, I think I messed this up. How do we have to make that circle just a little sliver. No, it's fine. It's fine. We're only going to preserve the place that basically the old thing, but minus this little purple ear. So intersect. So probably have to click. Let's join these into a union. How did they get unjoined? So union, the negatives, and this thing. There we go. And now we have this. What the heck is this top? Oh, duh. It's the thing. Wait. Why did this not move? What the hell is this? What the heck is this? That's union. All right, so apparently we don't need this top. Ugh. Sorry, I accidentally deleted everything. Okay, this. I think this is going to work. Let's look at this thing. Let's make sure it's fully formed. Yeah, there's our arch. Command Z that. Let's do it. Union and part. So whatever is common to both of them will be preserved. Look at that. How cool is that? All right, so Roblox apparently chose not to make this high fidelity on the curve, but it actually looks cool like that. So let's do this. We'll Command Z it, and then we're going to save this cutting part. We'll dupe it, but we'll put it out in like the world, and we will go like this, and we're going to use that one after we're done with this. So go back to the stuff we're in union. This video better take, and let's do it. Or we're intersect. So cool. All right, now we're going to get this other one. Is this it? And then we'll drop it in the package, and we will bring it back over, and we will chop off this part. And this makes it look kind of like it's got a very the fact that this circle is not very round, it's a bunch of flats, just makes that curve look like it's out of Gaul or something like that back in the Roman times. All right, so take these two. Sorry, take my part, my intersection, and we'll do another intersection. Dang. All right, so it's starting to look cool. So I'm going to stop the video. Please subscribe. I'm trying to monetize my channel. I need 1,000 subs. I'm going to do 100 of these videos, then I'm going to start like aggressively like going after subs. So